left-hand path. That's where you want other people to believe you're like a god and do everything you ask them to. These people are really dangerous, and they do it by fancy talking. Now, I'm a fancy talker, but when I finish talking, no one believes a word I've said. Because it's such fun that they don't really care either way anyway. Because I don't believe in the truth. It's all bullshit, right?
Open for business on the 1st of April 1932. Murray Street, Spanish architecture. St. George, 1863, same family still run it today. The antique maps and prints, we've got Cuban coffee of Cubana, good food at Cafe Stir. And if you take a tram ticket into Coffee Lovers, you get a 7-cup of coffee free of charge. Live jazz tonight, little jazz bar in here on the left hand side, that live jazz we said Saturday, with seafood in there as well. Japanese restaurant called Maidol, which means thank you, very good. Maidol, hey.
Oh, she does.
Only visit, you're feeling really hungry, that place can help you. Archos, these people know everything about Mexican food because they come from Serbia. There's got a place of Nickel here on the left that's got good scones and this is the new hotel complex that we're going into, Cathedral Junction. At the junction of the two hotels off the square in Christ. The last patron, the doors will eventually open and close as the train's coming out. 16 shops, 2 hotels, 4 restaurants and cafes. And we're going to have a park trip to the Nikar Park, which just off Trinity.